I've been in the quality sector for last almost 15 years, and back in 2018 I do the American Society of Quality World Conference. There I saw CSUDH team over there, where I have interacted with them, and from there all the journey of MSQA starts. I'm a continuous learner, so even though I'm a professional, I always keep updating myself, and this all leads me to take masters in MSQA. I'm an engineer currently and working in a real estate sector in Saudi Arabia. I'm heading the projects division of my company. During this whole journey, I'm a different professional now. There are lots of courses which is benefiting me in my daily operations, human quality assurance and quality in project management, and the thesis part. It was a great learning experience, and the tools which I learn in these courses I'm implementing in my daily operation in my company. It was about the amount of rework we are doing in the construction sector, how to minimize it. What happens in construction cycle, we have a constraint of the time. And with that constraint, people tend to go without following the quality processes. With that, it leads to the rework, and that rework leads to the increase in the cost overruns. That's the whole objective of this thesis, that what measures has been taken, what quality tools should be implemented right from the day one, so that we can minimize this cost overruns. It's a process forever, so we keep on improving every passing day with these tools, and yes, we are seeing good results. A clear message to all the professionals, the learning will never stop, and this program is really going to benefit in your daily operations. Whether you are a fresh graduate or you're a professional, this is going to serve you in a long run.